Hey, hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this Azure DevOps tutorial series, today let's discuss about checkout option in Azure DevOps YAML pipeline. Before jumping onto the actual topic, if you ever run into problems managing multiple accounts online, especially on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, or even Gmail, you know how frustrating it can be. But today, I'm going to show you a powerful tool called Go Login. Go Login is a browser that helps you manage multiple profiles, stay anonymous, and avoid fingerprinting bans. Stick around because this can seriously change the way you browse and work online. So, what is Go Login? Go Login is an anti-detect browser that lets you create separate browser profiles with its own unique fingerprint, like a totally different computer or device. This is super useful if you run multiple ad accounts, manage social media for clients, do affiliate or e-commerce marketing, or just want privacy or anonymity online. Okay, so you can directly go into this browser. I will provide the description in my I will provide the link in my description and also my promo code. Use it, download it, and try it, because you don't need a card to do a free trial. So go ahead and try it and let me know the feedback. All right, so now jumping on to the actual topic. Here we will discuss about checkout, specifically about checkout self and checkout none options in the YAML pipeline. All right, so before actually okay, let me go into that a sample YAML file. Okay, so here let me put it checkout self. Save. All right, I'll just save it. So as you can see, under steps we have an option called checkout self. Okay, what this actually means is, and as the name checkout indicates, in real time we usually use the checkout for checking out the code, right? So in Azure DevOps pipeline, this checkout option is used to control how source code from repos like Azure repos, Git, GitHub, Bitbucket, etc. is checked out during a pipeline run. By default, pipeline automatically performs checkout self as I have shown here. All right, which means it checks out the repository where the pipeline YAML file is located. But also you can customize it. Okay, if you look at this particular task, okay, I am calling a running a Python script compare to list.py. okay, where does this script actually exist? It actually exists in the same repository. If we have to double check, go and open this. Okay, so this is Azure pipeline 7.yaml, right? So we have Azure pipeline 7.yaml and also compare to list. So this actually exists in the same repository. Okay, so when I do a checkout self, it actually go and refers this repository and picks up the code and run the specific task. All right, so here I am using checkout self. Similarly, we have option called checkout none. Okay, before going into that checkout none, let me run and show you this. I am expecting this particular option to run smoothly without any issues. I have run this. Let me wait for a moment and see. For now I think it might take a while, so I'm just gonna pause it and resume once this job is completed. Yes, I have resumed back. Now you can see this particular job completed successfully by checking out to that particular code. I am in the checkout task, so you can view the detailed logs to understand each and every step that's happening in the background. And then it runs the Python script. You can see the Python script actually ran successfully, and now my job is completed. All right, so this is an easiest way of using checkout self in the Azure YAML pipeline. In case if I put this as none, okay, none in the small letter. All right, now let me run this and show you what happens. Okay, again this will take a while to run. I'm gonna pass it. Yes, this is now completed and it failed as expected because I have provided the option as checkout none, but my task Python script is running, but it is unable to find the script, right? So Python compare toollist.py, it says no file, such file or directory, because it is unable to find that particular script because I have not checked out to the actual repository where the code resides, right? So this is a simple example in which I can depict you the difference between checkout self and checkout none in Azure YAML pipeline. All right. So in simple words, if you wanna point to any scripts that actually existing in your repos, then you will use checkout self. If you are using if you are running your pipeline job that doesn't need any source code, like deploying infra with ARM or Bicep, triggering REST APIs, or running only scripts that is stored inline, so in these kind of situations you can use checkout none, right? And you can also check out this to a different repo. In this case you can provide the checkout and also the path to the external repo. That's an advanced one. We'll look at it in our upcoming videos. In addition to this options, we have a few advanced parameters that can be used against this, used with this checkout option, like clean, which we have fetch depth, we have LFS, we have persist credentials, submodules, path, etc. Okay, we'll look at all these in detail in our upcoming videos. But for now, if you understand this basic concept, that should be more than enough. All right. Yes, before logging off, I'm just recapping a few things about Go Login. Why Go Login is very much important, and it stands out because it's affordable, it's easy to use, beginner friendly UI, constant updates and supports, works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even in the cloud. Now I have tested others like multi-login and ads power, and honestly Go Login gives you the best value for money and features. So go now, try the Go Login browser and let me know your feedback. Alright, so that's all for this video guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you.